Let's go ahead and start installing the programs that we'll need. Let's start with Python first. First, let's go to python.org, click the Downloads button, and go ahead and download the latest version for Mac OS. Here we'll have an installer. Go ahead and click through the options. The defaults will be fine. Type in your password. And the installation will take about a minute. Go ahead and close this window and it'll take about another 20-30 seconds to wrap up the installer. Wonderful. And once it's done, go ahead and click the close button and we'll move the installer to the trash. Next, let's install the Visual Studio Code environment. Let's go to code.visualstudio.com, click the Mac build. And once it's finished downloading, the installation process is a little bit different. This time, it's not an installation. It's actually an application that you've downloaded that you will move into your applications folder. So, the download has completed. We're going to open up Finder, go to the Downloads folder, and we're going to drag and drop Visual Studio Code into the Applications folder here. Wonderful. That's it. We're done. Now let's go ahead and configure our environment. First, open up Launchpad and open up Visual Studio Code. We'll want to make sure that the Python extension is installed. Go ahead and click on the extension button here. We're going to type in Python, and we are going to install the Python extension by Microsoft. This will take about 20-30 seconds. Wonderful. Next, let's make sure that the correct interpreter is selected. I'm going to type in Command-Shift-P, type in Python select interpreter, and here we see that the latest build is selected for us, 3.11. Finally, let's test everything out and make sure it's correctly configured. Let's go to Explorer. I'm going to open up my desktop. I will trust the authors, and I'm going to make a new main.py. Let's do a hello world. And finally, let's click the play button up the top right. And we see that we have the output that we expect. Now we're ready to move on with the rest of the course.